SSD and RAM upgrade on Lenovo G400 20235 laptop. Thank you, Sir Pietro, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The Lenovo G400 20235 laptop received a major performance boost through the installation of a Patriot 256GB, 2.5-inch SATA SSD, and a HyperX Fury 8GB DDR3 RAM. The SSD upgrade replaced the traditional hard drive, allowing the system to boot and load applications much faster. The additional RAM improved multitasking performance, enabling smoother operation when running multiple programs simultaneously. After the upgrade, the laptop demonstrated a significant increase in speed, responsiveness, and reliability, effectively extending its usability and efficiency for both daily tasks and productivity work. SSD and RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.